Today I will show you how to fix your device isn't compatible with this version error in WWE 2K25 Netflix mobile. So if you are trying to install this game from Play Store and you see this error, don't worry, this is a very common problem. And the truth is, this is not always a bug. This error happens because your device does not meet the game requirements. This game needs Android 12 or higher, minimum 8GB RAM and supported processor. And most importantly, your device must be officially supported by Netflix. Even powerful phones can show this error if they are not on the supported list. To fix this, first open the Google Play Store and tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner. From the menu, navigate to Settings. Then select About. Here, check the Play Protect certification status of your device. If your device not certified, this game will not work. Now open your device settings and go to About Phone to check your Android version. If your device is running a version lower than Android 12, it does not meet the minimum system requirement and the game cannot be installed or played on your device. Now open Netflix app on your device, go to game section and try to install the game from here. Sometimes it works better than Play Store. Do not download random APK files from internet because Netflix games require login verification and they will not run on unsupported devices. If you still cannot install the game, then your device is not supported. You need to either wait for the update or use a different phone. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any problem, comment below. Thank you.